The hydrograph of a storm event of duration 140 minutes is shown in the figure. Infiltration capacity and hydrograph. The infiltration capacity at the start of event is 17 mm per hour, which linearly decreases to 10 mm per hour after 40 minutes duration. As the event progresses, the infiltration rate further drops down linearly to attain a value of 4 mm per hour at t is equal to 100 minutes and remains constant thereafter till the end of the storm. The value of infiltration index. He is asking the value of infiltration index. So the infiltration index, if you go from the definition, it is the infiltration rate above which rainfall volume is equal to runoff volume. So to calculate infiltration index, first we have to calculate the runoff. Means the height of this, this histogram represents the rainfall, hydrograph, that is rain that is occurring, and whereas this line represents the infiltration. That means out of this total rainfall, whatever below this line is infiltration, and whatever is above this line, whatever area that is above this line, that is runoff. That is runoff. So if you want to calculate the runoff, so first how will you calculate runoff? You have to calculate that area. So how will you calculate this area? This is a rectangle, so that rectangle would be 15 multiplied with this height is 5. This height is, because this is 10, so this height is 5 multiplied with 20 by 60, because this is given in minutes and I am calculating this is 5 mm per hour, so I am calculating it in total mm. So this is 5 multiplied with 20, and if you want to calculate the area of this rectangle, this is 2, this is 20, half multiplied with 2 into 20 by 60 plus this rectangle area is also 2 into 20 by 60 plus this rectangle, plus this triangle exactly. If you take it, you can consider this as, if this is 8, this is 4, this would be 6 approximately, this is 6, so this is 8 minus 6, this is also 2, half multiplied with 2 into 20 by 60. From this you will get this triangle area, and then this rectangle is also 2 multiplied with 20 by 60 plus this triangle area. This triangle area, once again you will get half into 2 into 20 by 60. So why 2? This I am assuming, because it is exactly going symmetrical, I am taking this as 6. 8 minus 6, this is 2, and this is 20. So similarly this is 2, this is 2, this is 20, this is 2, this is 20. Just dividing everything into rectangles and triangle, this triangle, and finally this rectangle and this triangle, will get this value. So if you solve all these things, 20 by 60 multiplied with 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, so this is the value you will get. So this is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 5, 20 by 60, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, so 12, 3, this is equal to 4 mm. So total runoff is equal to 4 mm. Total runoff is equal to 4 mm. Now you have to calculate phi index. So for phi index, you don't know where exactly phi index lies. So for that, first you have to calculate the W index. W index is generally given as total precipitation minus runoff by duration. So what is the total precipitation that you will get from here? Total precipitation is 4 into 20 by 60, or if I take 20 by 60 is common for everything, so this is 4 plus 8 plus 15 plus 10 plus 8 plus 3 plus 1 into 20 by 60. So what would be this value? 15, 12, 27, 37, 37, 45, plus 4 1 into this is 20 by 60. So this is 12 plus 15 27 plus 10 37 37 plus 8 45 45 plus 4 49 49 by 3. This is the precipitation. W index is given as precipitation minus runoff by total time period. It is not the period of excess rainfall, but it is total time period. So from this it would be 49 by 3 minus, what is this value, 4 by total time period is 140 minutes. So 140 by 60. 140 by 60. So 49 minus 12 is 37 by 3 by 14 by 6. This is 2. So 2 sevens. So this is approximately 5.1. Sorry, 5.2. So approximately it is 5.2 or 5.3. This is W index. You can assume phi index is equal to W index, or you can also take phi is in the range of, so from this you can say W index is 5.3. Phi is greater than or equal to W index. You can start your trials from 5.3 or assume phi is in the range of 4 to 8. That means phi is in this range. Phi index is in this range. If phi index is in that range, that means I'll take some value of phi index. Let us say this is phi. If phi index is in that range, then how will you write runoff? Runoff would be equal to 8 minus phi into 20 by 60. That means whatever the value that above this red line is considered as runoff. So 8 minus 5 into 20 by 60, 15 minus 5 into 20 by 60, plus 10 minus 5 into 20 by 60, plus 8 minus 5 into 20 by 60. And is there anything else? No, because 3 is below only and all these things is below only. So with this is equal to 4 mm. Remember that this is 4 mm because runoff you got is 4 mm. And once if you do all these things, so that is how much? 8 plus 15, that is 23, plus 10, 33, 33 plus 8 is 41, 41 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 5 is equal to 4 multiplied with 3, 12. 41 minus 12 is equal to 4, 5. 5 is equal to 41 minus 12 is how much? 40 minus 12, that is 29 by 4, that is 7.25. 7.25 mm per hour. That is in the range of 4 to 8. So our assumption is correct. Phi is in the range of 4 to 8. So this is how you will calculate it. So first you have to calculate runoff, and you can calculate W index, or directly you can go for assuming phi index is in the range of 4 to 8, you will get the value of phi index. Or sir, I don't want to go for this method, you can directly start phi is equal to 5.3, and after 1 to 2 trials you will get phi is equal to 7.25 mm per hour only. So he asked for 2 decimal place, so 2 decimal place is 7.25 mm per hour. So read the question carefully and understand it. So what runoff is, whatever the precipitation after infiltration is runoff, and phi index is the average infiltration rate above which rainfall volume is equal to runoff volume. That's how you will calculate these things. Thank you.